Hello student, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss about the rational number, chapter number 1 of class 8. We have studied about the numbers, okay? What is a number? What is a natural number? All counting number. First one we will discuss about the previous class. In class 7th we have studied about the integers, है ना? Integers पढ़े थे. इंटीजर में सबसे पहले हम पढ़े थे नेचुरल नंबर. नेचुरल नंबर क्या है? ऑल काउंटिंग नंबर, फॉर एग्जांपल 1 2 3 4 एंड सो ऑन टू टिल इन्फिनिटी. ओके, वी हैव स्टडीड अबाउट द होल नंबर, दैट इज इंक्लूडिंग जीरो all natural number, including zero all natural number are whole number. After that we have studied about the integers. Okay, integers are those number which include negative portion, zero and positive value. Okay, in class 7th we have studied about the integers, that negative value, zero, positive value, all are the integers. We have seen the operations of integers, properties of integer, that is addition property, multiplication property, division property, subtraction property and so on. In this chapter we will discuss about the rational number, properties of rational number, that is addition of rational number, subtraction of rational number. Okay, what are the properties of addition of rational number and so on. इस तरह हम लोग बहुत सारा कॉन्सेप्ट देखेंगे रैशनल नंबर में. सबसे पहला कि हम लोग डिफाइन करेंगे, क्या करेंगे? डिफाइन कि रैशनल नंबर होता क्या है. तो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल विल राइट व्हाट इज अ रैशनल नंबर. व्हाट इज अ रैशनल नंबर? अ नंबर is the form of p by q where q is not equal to 0. In another word, we can say that a number which is in the form of p by q and p and where p and q are integers and q is non-zero integer. So for example we can write, what are the example? See, you can write 2 by 3, 2, 0 is also an irrational number because 0 by 1 can be written, 2 by 1, okay, 1 by 3, this all are the rational number. See, q is not equal to 0. p हो सकता है 0 लेकिन q कभी नहीं. अगर q 0 हो जाएगा तो वो रैशनल नंबर नहीं होगा, ठीक है, वो अनडिफाइंड नंबर हो जाएगा, ठीक है ना. हेयर we will see, we will note that कि all integers, all integers are rational number. All integers are rational number. All integers are rational number. Okay. Now since P by Q is a rational number, so we can say that if both numerator and denominator are of same sign, then the number are positive, otherwise it is negative. ओके मतलब P बाई Q एक रैशनल नंबर है, तब हम बोल सकते हैं कि अगर नुमरेटर एंड डिनोमिनेटर आर ऑफ सेम साइज, मतलब कि अगर हमारा यहाँ पे देखो एग्जांपल, अगर हम लिखें -2 बाई -3, तो ये एक रैशनल नंबर है जो कि पॉजिटिव रैशनल नंबर। क्यों पॉजिटिव है? क्योंकि माइनस माइनस कैंसिल आउट होकर ये 2/3 देता है। मतलब कि दोनों नुमरेटर एंड डिनोमिनेटर का साइन क्या था? सेम था, जिसके कारण ये पॉजिटिव वैल्यू हो गया। अगर हम लिखें 4/7, दिस इज ऑल्सो अ पॉजिटिव रैशनल नंबर, अदरवाइज इट इज़ निगेटिव। इसका मतलब कि अगर नुमरेटर में निगेटिव साइन हो और डिनोमिनेटर में पॉजिटिव हो तो वो निगेटिव रैशनल नंबर कहलाएगा। अगर नुमरेटर पॉजिटिव हो और डिनोमिनेटर निगेटिव हो तो वो भी क्या कहलाएगा? निगेटिव रैशनल नंबर कहलाएगा। फॉर एग्जांपल अगर हम लिखें -3/7, दिस इज़ अ निगेटिव रैशनल नंबर, एंड वी कैन राइट 6/-17, this is also a negative rational number. Now we will move to the next concept, that is the lowest form of a rational number. ठीक है, lowest form of rational number. ठीक है, we will see another concept, that is lowest form of a rational नंबर। ठीक है, तो लोएस्ट फॉर्म किसको कहते हैं? जैसे हम लोग इंटीजर बोल रहे हैं, क्लास 7th में हम लोग फ्रैक्शन चैप्टर पढ़े थे। उस चैप्टर में हम लोग देखे थे कि लोएस्ट फॉर्म ऑफ फ्रैक्शन, इसका मतलब कि नुमरेटर एंड डिनोमिनेटर का HCF जो है 1 से ज़्यादा नहीं होना चाहिए। मतलब कि कॉमन फैक्टर 1 से ज़्यादा नहीं होना चाहिए, है ना। The lowest form of a rational number, it means if we take 5/7, if we take a rational number that is 5/7, it is a lowest form of rational number. So take another example. If we take 15/21, तो इन दोनों का कॉमन फैक्टर 3 है, 1 से अलग है ना। सो वी कैन नॉट से दिस इज अ लोएस्ट फॉर्म, सो वी हैव टू ब्रिंग इट इनटू द लोएस्ट फॉर्म। तब इसको लाने के लिए सबसे पहले हम कॉमन फैक्टर देखते हैं। तो 3 के टेबल में दोनों आता है, 3 5 जा 15 एंड 3 7 जा, तो 5/7 इज द लोएस्ट फॉर्म, है ना। एक चीज़ और हम लोग देखेंगे कि अगर इफ़ P by Q is a rational number, if P by Q is a rational number and M is non-zero integer, then P by Q into M is a rational number equivalent to rational number P by Q। इसका मतलब कि P न्यूमरेटर एंड डिनोमिनेटर पार्ट में जब हम M से मल्टीप्लाई करते हैं तो वो रैशनल नंबर जो मिलता है वो इक्विवेलेंट होता है किसके, P बाई Q के। हम लोग क्लास 7 में एक चैप्टर पढ़े थे डेट इज़ फ्रैक्शन, उसमें इक्विवेलेंट फ्रैक्शन पढ़े थे, ठीक है ना। हेयर ऑल्सो वी हैव सीन दैट इफ़ वी मल्टीप्लाई अ नंबर with denominator and denominator with the same number to the denominator and numerator, it gives an equivalent rational number to the rational number P by Q. For example, we can say that, for example, if we take this one example, मतलब यही वाला 5/7, इसमें अगर हम 3 से हम दोनों में मल्टीप्लाई कर दें, इट बिकम्स 15/21। इट मीन्स वी कैन से दैट 15/21 इज़ अ रैशनल नंबर इक्विवेलेंट टू 5/7। हम 5/7 के क्या है, इक्विवेलेंट है, मतलब 15/21 एक इक्विवेलेंट रैशनल नंबर है जो कि किसका है, 5/7 का। एंड दिस आर इक्विवेलेंट also in division, okay, so we can say that P by Q divided by same number to numerator and denominator, that rational number is equivalent to rational number P by Q. So we can take another example. If we write 18/24, okay, 18/24. See, we can 18/24 we can divide to numerator and denominator by 6. It gives 6 3 is 18 and 6 4 is the 3/4 is an equivalent rational number to 18/24। तो इक्विवेलेंट का कंसेप्ट क्लियर हुआ, उसके बाद हम लोग का लोएस्ट फॉर्म भी क्लियर हो गया। नेक्स्ट वी विल सी, नेक्स्ट वी आर गोइंग टू सी द कंसेप्ट ऑफ equalities of rational number. Next we are going to see the concept of equality of rational number. So what do you mean by equality? Equality means both the rational numbers are equal, okay, equalities means both the rational number are equal. See here, if we say P by Q is equal to R by S, we have two rational number, we have two rational number, first one is P by Q and second is R by S, है ना, and both are equal, both are equal. It means you can write by cross multiplying, you can write P into S can be equal to R into Q. Okay, for example, you can say that 5x by 4 is equal to 10/2. Okay, then this is given, 5x by 4, it is a rational number which is equal to another rational number, that is 10 by 2. You can write like this, by cross multiplying you can say that 5x into 2 can be equal to 10 into 4. So you can write 10x is equal to 40, x is equal to 4. Like that you can use this concept to find the value of x or to find the value of any variable multiplied in rational number. Now we will move to the addition of rational number, है ना, कि rational number को कैसे जोड़ा जाता है ना, ठीक है. रैशनल नंबर का सारा कंसेप्ट हम लोग फ्रैक्शन चैप्टर में पढ़े थे, हूबहू रैशनल नंबर में भी है, ठीक है. यहाँ पे देखोगे कि अगर डिनोमिनेटर पार्ट सेम होगा, मान के चलो कि एक रैशनल नंबर है p बाई क्यू, ठीक है, प्लस एडिशन, वी आर सीइंग, हम लोग देख रहे हैं एडिशन ऑफ rational number, addition of rational number. We have a theorem that is p by q plus r by q. See, in this both denominator are same, both rational number denominator are same, then you can write q p plus r. Simply you can add the numerator and you will get the answer. First one. Second is, if we take p by q plus r by s, denominator part are different, then you will take the LCM of the denominator part, that is qs, and it becomes p into s plus r into q, and you will get the required answer. Like this you can take the example. Take example, if we write 2 by 3 plus 5 by 3, see, simply you can add by taking the denominator part as 3, 2 plus 5, that is 7 by 3. This is the first condition, and second one is 4 by 7 plus 9 by 14. See how we will solve, by taking the LCM 7 and 14. The LCM of 7 and 14 is 14. 7 2 ja 14, 4 into 2 plus 14 ja 1 times, 14 1 ja 14, it becomes 9 into 1, it becomes 4 2 ja 8 plus 9, that is 14, is equal to 17 by 14. This is your required answer. So you can add the many rational numbers in this way, है ना, मतलब कि दो जरूरी नहीं, दो से ज़्यादा भी rational number रहेगा तो हम लोग जोड़ सकते हैं. Now we will do a problem of simplification on this topic. Okay, we have a questions on addition of rational number, that is, if we take 4 by 3 plus 3 by 5 plus minus 2 by 3 plus minus 11 by 5. So we have four rational number, 2 rational numbers are negative and 2 rational numbers are positive. Then all the rational numbers are should be added. Simply you can write like this, if we are taking the LCM or take the LCM of 3 5, that is 15, you can write 15. Okay, now 3 5 is 15, that is 4 into 5 plus 5 3 is that is 3 into 3 plus minus, okay, 3 5 is that is 2 into 5 plus minus 5 3 is 15, that is 11 into 3. So you can write like this, 20 plus 9 minus 10 minus 33. divided by 15, it becomes 29 minus 43 by 15. It becomes 113, that is minus 14 by 15. This is your answer. Now we will move to the properties of rational number, है ना, कि कौन कौन सा प्रॉपर्टी होता है, प्रॉपर्टीज ऑफ एडिशन ऑफ रैशनल नंबर. एडिशन, properties of rational number. ठीक है, तो पहला हम लोग देखेंगे कॉम्यूटेटिव प्रॉपर्टी. In this we will see if we have a rational number that is a by b added with a rational number that is c by d, this can be written as c by d is added with a by b. This is your commutative property. The second one is our associative property. This property says that if we take a rational number that is a by b added with c by d plus e by f, this can be equal to a by b is added with c by d plus e by f. So you can take the example and verify the property. For example, if we take 2 by 3 plus 4 by 5, this is equal to 4 by 5 plus 2 by 3. How you will justify? Can you solve the LHS? That is 5 3 is 15, 3 5 is that is 10 plus 12. This can be written as 22 by 15. Again this one 15, 4 5 is 20, no wait, this is 15, 5 3 is that is 12 plus 10, it becomes 22 by 15. Here also you can take the 2 by 3 plus 4 by 5 plus 6 by 1. See, we have 2 by 3 plus 4 by 5 plus 6 by 1. Now we can write 2 by 3 plus, first of all we will add this, taking LCM 5, 4 plus 30 is equal to, taking LCM here, that is 15, 10 plus 3 12 plus 6 by 1. This becomes 2 by 3 plus 34 by 5 is equal to 22 by 15 plus 6 by 1. You can solve that, taking LCM, that is 15 and 3 5s are 15, 5 2s are 10 plus 5 3s are 12, carry 1, 102. Okay, this becomes 15, taking LCM 15, 22 plus 15 6 are 80. Okay, now it becomes 112 by 15 is equal to 102. 5 4 6 5 are 30, 3 5 are 5 2 are 10, 5 3 are 12, 6 by 1, 2 by 3 plus 34 by 5 is equal to 22 by 15 plus 6. This will not 90. 15 6 and 90. Okay, it becomes 112 by 15. So it also satisfies the associative property in addition. Now I hope you like the video. Please share to your friend, subscribe the channel and like the video. If you have any doubt, please give a feedback in the comment box, and take care. Thank you, class.